Are you tired of breaking the bank for a healthy diet? Let's debunk this myth right away. Healthy eating is not a luxury reserved for the affluent. It's all about making informed choices. You can cook nutritious and delicious meals at home using affordable ingredients. Take a moment to consider this. A bag of chips might seem cheaper than a bag of apples, but the long-term health benefits of the apples far outweigh the momentary satisfaction of the chips. The key is to focus on whole foods. Fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains are packed with essential nutrients, and are often less expensive than processed foods. Now let's talk about smart shopping. Plan your meals for the week and make a shopping list. This not only saves time but also helps you avoid impulsive purchases. Buy in bulk when it makes sense, but be mindful of expiration dates to reduce waste. And don't forget about seasonal produce. They are fresher, tastier, and cheaper. Plus, you'll be supporting local farmers, a win-win situation. Meal planning is another effective strategy. Cook in larger batches and store leftovers for quick, easy meals. This way you're less likely to resort to expensive and unhealthy takeout when you're short on time. Remember, health and taste can go hand in hand without draining your wallet. So let's embrace the joy of cooking, save money, and nourish our bodies with the goodness of wholesome food. Think staying fit requires an expensive gym membership? Think again. Let's dive into the world of effective home workouts. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or a fitness newbie, these routines are designed for you. Imagine transforming your living room into your personal fitness studio. Picture yourself doing squats, lunges, or even planks right there on your carpet. You're not just burning calories, you're strengthening your muscles and improving your cardiovascular health. Here's the beauty of home workouts. They're simple, they're effective, and they're flexible. You can do them anytime, anywhere. All you need is the right mindset and a pinch of enthusiasm. Perhaps you're wondering, what about equipment? Well, you don't need a fancy treadmill or a set of weights. Your body is your best tool. Use it to its full potential. So, start moving and stay fit in the comfort of your own home. Did you know that your mind needs workouts too? Just as we exercise our bodies to stay fit, our mental health requires attention and care. One way to do this is through meditation and mindfulness techniques. Picture this. You're sitting comfortably, eyes closed, focusing on your breath. This is the first step in meditation. By concentrating on your breathing, you begin to tune out the noise of the world and tune into yourself. This practice can help reduce stress and increase relaxation. Now let's talk about mindfulness. It's about being fully present in the moment, aware of your thoughts, feelings, and surroundings. It's savoring your morning coffee, really listening when someone speaks, or noticing the sensation of the wind on your skin. Mindfulness enhances focus and helps us appreciate the simple joys of life. These techniques aren't complex or time-consuming, but their impact can be profound. Remember, a healthy mind leads to a healthy life, so take some time for mental wellness every day. What if I told you that small daily habits can make a big difference in your overall health? Yes, you heard it right. Simple lifestyle changes can significantly improve your well-being. Let's begin with hydration. Our bodies are made up of about 60% water, so it's no wonder that staying hydrated is essential for our health. Drinking water not only helps regulate body temperature and flush out toxins, but it also aids in digestion and keeps your skin glowing. Try to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. Next, let's talk about sleep. It's not a luxury, but a necessity. Getting enough sleep boosts your mood, improves your memory, and even strengthens your immune system. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night to recharge and rejuvenate. Now, let's not forget about active hobbies. Whether it's gardening, dancing, or taking a leisurely walk, find a physical activity that brings you joy. Active hobbies not only keep you fit, but also contribute to mental well-being by reducing stress and boosting your mood. These habits don't cost a thing, yet they can make a world of difference in your health and well-being. So make these small changes and start seeing big improvements in your health. That's it, folks. Simple, affordable steps towards a healthier, happier life. Start incorporating these tips, feel the difference. Join our community and subscribe for more wellness wisdom. Your health is your wealth. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy, stay happy, and see you in the next video.